Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a battery charging test of the new Samsung Galaxy A32, and this is a new mid-range phone from Samsung which is costing around 42,000 PKR Pakistan market. And guys, in this video I'm going to show you how much time is required to fully charge this phone from 0% and to 100%. Right now the battery percentage on this phone it is at 0%, and the battery it is really low on this phone, about 0% battery on this phone. And this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with a 15 watt fast charging support as well. And guys, now let's quickly show you the charger and the cable that you are getting with the Samsung Galaxy A32 right out the box. Here's the box of the Samsung Galaxy A32, and I already done the unboxing of the A32 on my channel, so if you're interested, watch that. So now let's open this box, and now let's see the charger and the cable. And as you can see that here is the cable, and this is a USB Type-C cable, and also we get a 15 watt adaptive fast charging with the Samsung Galaxy A32 as you can see. And also on the A32 we does not get any headphones. It says that adaptive fast charging, and you can see, and the ampere rating on this charger it is a 9 volt with the 1.67 ampere, and this is a 15 watt fast charging that you're getting with the Samsung Galaxy A32. And this phone does not support 25 watt fast charging. And also we get a USB Type-C cable with the Samsung Galaxy A32 as you can see. So nice to see that we get a USB Type-C. So now let's quickly start the test, and first let me show you the battery percentage. Again, it is completely 0% battery on this phone. So now let's quickly insert the USB-A into the charger like this. And guys, here is a switch board, and you can see, and guys also, and the power source it is on as well. Now let's insert the charger into the switch board like this. And also now let's calculate the time on my Infinix Note 8. So here is the cable. Now let's insert the USB Type-C into the phone like this. And now let's quickly start the stopwatch as well. And you can see this phone is showing me that the battery charging is start on this phone. And also the battery percentage on this phone it is at 0%. And guys, also one thing it is also really important in terms of the battery charging wise is that the battery charging speed will be depend on your environment temperature as well as your phone temperature right now. And the temperature in this room it is about 27 degrees Celsius. So if you're charging this phone in high temperature, the battery charging speed will be slow. Now let's see the battery percentage on my A32 after 2 minutes of battery charging, and the battery percentage it is at 2%. So now I will be back after half hour, exact 30 minutes. Now let's see that how much this phone is charged in the first half hour. So I will see you at half hour. Okay guys, I'm back after 30 minutes of battery charging. Now let's see the battery percentage on my Samsung Galaxy A32 after half hour of battery charging. And the battery percentage on my A32 it is at 24%, and this phone is charged 24% in half hour. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. That's we also do in our daily life. And also we also have a Super AMOLED display with 90 Hz refresh rate display on my A32, and this phone also has always on display, so that's a really good thing as well. So now let's wait for the Samsung Galaxy A32. And as you can see that my Samsung Galaxy is on, and this phone also has in-display fingerprint scanner which is not the fastest. And guys, and everything it is off in this phone, and you can see Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, location, all those things it is off in this phone. And also we don't have any SIM card on this phone as well. And guys, we also have this fast charging logo as well. So now I will be back after 1 hour, exact 60 minutes. And now let's see that how much this phone is charged overall in 60 minutes. So now I will see you at 60 minutes. Okay guys, I'm back after 1 hour of battery charging on my Samsung Galaxy A32. Now let's see the battery percentage, and you can see in the battery percentage it is at 40%. So this phone is charged about 40% in 1 hour 60 minutes. So guys, overall I have to say regarding the battery charging speed, it is not the fastest because in this price range we also see a 33 watt fast charging as well, but this phone only supports 15 watt fast charging. I wish that we get a 25 watt fast charging support on this phone, but we get 15 watt fast charging. So now I will be back after 1 hour and 30 minutes. Now let's see that how much this phone is charged in the next half hour. So I will see you at 90 minutes. Okay guys, as you can see that 1 hour and 30 minutes is complete. So now let's see the battery percentage, and the battery percentage it is at 55%. So this phone is charged 55% in 90 minutes for battery charging. So I'm not really impressed by the battery charging speed of the A32. At least we get a 25-watt super fast charging on this phone, because the battery size, it is really big on this phone. So now I will be back after 2 hours, overall 120 minutes. So now I will see you at 2 hours. Okay guys, I'm back after 2 hours of battery charging. So now let's see the battery percentage on my A32. And the battery percentage on my A32, it is at 70%. So this phone is charged about 70% in 120 minutes. And guys, I have to say that this phone is takes so much time. And guys, now I will be back after 2 hours and 30 minutes of battery charging. Now let's see that how much this phone is charged in 2 hours and 30 minutes of battery charging. So now I will see you at 2 hours and 30 minutes. Okay guys, I'm back after 2 hours and 30 minutes of battery charging on my Samsung Galaxy A32. And the battery percentage on my A32 is at 85%. And now I will be back when my Samsung Galaxy A32 is hit 100% fully charged. And now let's see that how much time is required after 2 hours and 30 minutes to battery charging. And you can see it says that about half an hour until full. So I will see you when my Samsung Galaxy A32 is hit 100% fully charged. Okay guys, I'm back and my Samsung Galaxy A32 is hit 100% fully charged, and you can see in 3 hours and 9 minutes. And guys, all I have to say regarding the battery charging speed, I am not really impressed by the battery charging speed. I would say that the battery charging speed is really slow on this phone, because we have a 5000 mAh of battery size with a 15-watt fast charging only. At least we get a 25-watt fast charging on this phone. And that's about it. And thank you so much for watching this battery charging test of the Samsung Galaxy A32. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and let me know what kind of more videos that you guys want to see regarding the A32. And guys, what I have to say again, the battery charging speed is really slow on this phone, and this is a really slow charger. But again, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.